Craving teriyaki on the autoimmune protocol? I've got you covered. I'll show you how in this tutorial, highlighting AIP compliant ingredients and of course, flavor. Salute everyone! What's cooking? Welcome to AIP Limitless Recipes. If you have not seen any of my previous tutorials yet, my name is Grace. If you're following the autoimmune protocol and you're missing teriyaki dishes, then this one is for you. Since you know how challenging it can be to find sauces that fit the guidelines. Today, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step process of making a flavorful teriyaki sauce from scratch, completely free of soy, gluten, and other common AIP no-nos. We'll be using simple, whole ingredients to create a sauce that will elevate our AIP dishes. And stick all the way until the end for a bonus AIP Chicken Teriyaki recipe. Now, let's get cooking. Into a bowl, we will combine a cup of filtered water, half cup of coconut aminos, 5 teaspoons of coconut palm sugar, 1 tablespoon of pure honey, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 to 2 teaspoons of salt, according to taste. Mix to combine all the ingredients. Into a separate little bowl, we combine 1/4 cup of filtered water, a tablespoon of arrowroot starch. Mix to dissolve the arrowroot. Into a saucepan over medium-low heat, we pour the mixtures we have prepared. Mix well to combine. Let it simmer for a few minutes until it has reduced or thickened, while mixing it periodically. Let this cool down and we transfer into the container. Labeled and dated. And ta-da! Our AIP Teriyaki Sauce from scratch. Stay with me for a bonus teriyaki recipe, and this is the AIP Chicken Teriyaki. Into a pan over medium-low heat, we combine our pre-cooked chicken wings and drumettes. In this case, was air-fried at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. And we generously pour our teriyaki sauce. Toss and turn the chicken well into the sauce so it coats the chicken with all the teriyaki deliciousness. Let it simmer for a few minutes. And I sprinkle a few dashes of dried thyme for a little twist of extra flavor and decor. Once it is ready, then we can transfer it into a serving plate. And garnish it with diced scallions. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our AIP Teriyaki Sauce from scratch and AIP Teriyaki Chicken Wings glistening with all that teriyaki sauce goodness. Let me know down in the comments below what sauces and dishes you would like us to create in our AIP kitchen. Until next time, be healed and be blessed. Sayonara!